6'5", bitch. Listen, pay attention to the digits, sit and do the math. Them stats is facts, it's a bloodbath. What's that? Fuck rap. Bitch lame, think the shit is a game. Didn't you say that you was the best, but you was looking all gay in your bulletproof vest? Damn, you should've wore a dunce cap. On my way, ho, with them long-range scopes. We bust gats, aim directly at your brain, so everyone laughs. Say, oh, I love straps. This kid's a singer, vicious gangsters, getting anxious, tripping, waiting with some itchy trigger fingers. Cut the crap.
Use a snitch and you guessed it, next bitch we go catch you slipping as you're sitting at home on the sofa scoping Netflix. We come over then kick open your front door, it's a hit. Split your dome with the chrome, oops, upside your head. That's why you're dead, my firearm is wire gone. One more target departed, check this Will and Gore soaking the carpet. Rugrats. 44's text. 44's text. Uzis, ARs, Uzis, AK shotguns. 44's text. 44's text. Uzis, ARs, Uzis, AK shotguns. Pistol whip skulls, grip a fistful, squeeze, it's awesome. Blunt force injuries and bullets causing unsolved mysteries. We got 'em, you're just a bitch to me, fucking rotten. Out of pocket, Glocks and Max 11s, Smith and Wesson stacking Remingtons, we pack them options. Fun-filled plotting, hop in turf hogs, mob on your block and pop it mops until everyone's killed, forgotten. Cause I go fire rockets, soft as microfiber cotton, oughta stop the talking. It ain't gotta be a drive-by, I might glide by, riding a bike or even see me walking. I got a passion for mashing and blasting, and damn, I do this shit in fashion. Grab on my jock and you know the hoes say it makes me look handsome. So when I pull up and grip my balls, duck cause y'all's fucked. Buck out the back of a tall truck like a Mac, I'm leaving with all the sluts. A large beer, arms near, I'm an arms dealer called Rust. 44's text. 44's text. Uzis, ARs, Uzis, AK shotguns. 44's text. 44's text. Uzis, ARs, Uzis, AK shotguns. Desert Eagles and shit. Snub noses and shit. Berettas and shit. M24s and shit. Swammies and shit. Problem solvers and shit. Street sweepers and shit. Guns and shit. Bitch, listen, pay attention to the digits, sit and do the math. Them stats is facts, it's a bloodbath. What's that? Fuck rap. Bitch lame, think the shit is a game. Didn't you say that you was the best, but you was looking all gay in your bulletproof vest? Damn, you should've wore a dunce cap. On my way, ho, with them long-range scopes. We bust gats, aim directly at your brain, so everyone laughs. Say, oh, I love straps. This kid's a singer, vicious gangsters, getting anxious, tripping, waiting with some itchy trigger fingers. Cut the crap. Use a snitch and you guessed it, next bitch we go catch you slipping as you're sitting at home on the sofa scoping Netflix. We come over then kick Open your front door, it's a hit. Split your dome with the chrome. Oops, upside your head. That's why you're dead, my firearm is wire gone. One more target departed, check this blood and gore soaking the carpet. Rugrats.
Text. 44's text. 44's text. Uzis, Uzis.